back pretty quick. Did that video not too long ago. Got my tools. Let me see. Get the camera down in there. I don't even know where I'm looking at. Oh, right there. That. I gotta undo that nut. And yeah, that looks rusty, crusty, so. Let me see. Oh my god. Not the easiest operation in the world. Of course. Here goes nothing. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know if I broke free or rounded it, but it moved. Alright, let me grab a 7/16 turns real quick. Alright, we're back. Oh my god, it actually did it. Oh, I was expecting that to be way worse. I still have to do the passenger side, of course, but this is a good sign. Is there someone put fluid in it? Who put fluid in the... If I'm undoing brake lines, why would you put fluid in it? Sorry, talking to myself. I don't know who put fluid in this, but thanks. Now I'm gonna be dumping brake fluid everywhere. Well, you guys get the idea. I'm gonna finish undoing that, and then you guys will see me when I start trying the other side. So, yeah. Whoever put brake fluid in this, no. Bad.